Here's how you can turn on or off the alarm as well as the hourly beep on your Casio F-91W. First, when you're on the time, hit the mode button in the bottom left. This is going to bring you to where you can set the alarm. But what we're going to do instead is we're going to hit the bottom right button down here. And as we hit this button, you can see in the top left of the screen, it cycles through these two different symbols. So these little symbols indicate whether both the alarm and the hourly beep are on. So you can have it on nothing, or you can have just these little lines like this. This is going to be just your alarm is turned on. You hit it again, you'll see a little bell icon. That's going to be just the hourly beep. If you hit it again, that's going to be both the alarm and the hourly beep. And then if you hit it again, it's going to show nothing. So that means the alarm and the hourly beep are turned off. After that, you can then just hit mode. And now you are going to be back to the time with the settings that you selected. I hope that this video helped you guys out. If you want to purchase one of these watches for yourself, I put a link down in the description.